Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, and it's October 11th. Hopefully, you guys were able to enjoy a nice long weekend here. So we had the Columbus Day. Let's go ahead and take a look at. We do got only one item here on the docket, and that is the NFIB Small Business Index for the month of September. And this is index kind of gauges the confidence level for small businesses. This is important primarily because small businesses make up the majority of the employment numbers out there. So if they're feeling comfortable, they're going to hire more. If they're not, they're obviously going to go the opposite direction. So the previous reporting we had in August was 94.4. Forecast was at 94.1, and it did dip down to the 94.1, just like forecast came in. Right now, the stock market it's not so much about that index that we're talking about. A lot of it is we're dipping into again, earnings reports. Alcoa is the big one, the first one that came out today, and disappointed. So stock market's kind of taking its cue, along with a few other ones. Companies are releasing their earnings reports on there as well. Well, yesterday, Russia and Saudi Arabia came out with an agreement that kind of rallied, or kind of made an announcement that would kind of rally the stock market, the oil market yesterday. But today it's kind of pulled back because the IEA basically reported that there's a oversupply of approximately 600,000 barrels around globally. So this is something that's kind of pulled back a little bit today. So right now, price per barrel is around $51. So it has jumped up quite a bit. We were not long ago down as low as around 40, 43 range. Now it's all the way up to 51. Especially when this is the time of year when things start slowing down and oil usually comes down in price. So we'll kind of wait and see if that comes down, because there's some upcoming meetings to see if there's any more production cuts or any talk about production cuts going forward, especially with the big two with Saudi Arabia and Russia. And if they can't come up to agreement, which a lot of people have some doubts that they will, it could drop down back into the same level we were seeing, around $43 a barrel. So let's take a look at the bond market, and not so good news for a bond market. As we see, we had the 100-day moving average. We did test it on Friday, and then today we opened below it. But since then, we have pulled back a little bit, and we're just getting up to about the 100-day moving average right now. So right now we're about, because it started off worse, pricing came out worse today, but as we go along the day, it's potential we can get back to the same pricing we saw on Friday. Well, actually, it is Friday because we ended up here, so we are down a bit from Friday's numbers. So pricing is worse than what we saw on Friday. All right, folks, stay tuned. We'll see how this plays out, as we don't want to be below this 100-day moving, as it has proven a pretty strong support for us in the past. If we don't, then we do got some room here where we could fall more, where rates would go up. So rates, as of right now, pricing on rates have went up a little bit. All right, folks, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.